Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Roblox Santa, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the eyes. So from the center, stepping over on the left, we're going to draw in a nice thin oval. We're going to replicate that on the right hand side. And then we're just going to color in our eyes black. For the eyebrow, stepping over, we're going to curve this line over and through towards the middle. And then from the inside corner, we're just going to curve this around and down on the edge. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line up, down, and back through towards the top. We're going to replicate that on the right hand side as well. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back around and in towards the middle, joining that together in the center. Now directly underneath for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a curved line. And then dropping down, we're just going to curve that in the opposite direction. Let's move up for the Santa hat. We're going to curve this line over towards the right hand side. On the inside here, let's curve this line around and in towards the mustache. And then we're just going to flatten that out on the side with a small diagonal line coming over. Now for the hat on both sides, we're just going to curve this line up towards the top, and we're going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line in. And then we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out. From that line here, let's draw in a nice big circle. Now on the right hand side, on the top, we're going to arch this line up and then back down on the left. Let's draw in the beard. So we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out on both sides. Let's flatten this out as we bring this down towards the bottom. Now from here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming through towards the center. Let's draw in another straight line coming out. And then again, another diagonal line coming in towards the middle. Let's flatten this out again on the bottom. Bring in this diagonal line through. Now let's draw in another straight line coming down on both sides. And then we're just going to close that off with another straight line right in the middle. Let's draw on the torso. So let's draw in a straight line coming out on the left and right hand side. We're going to round out that edge, curving this around and down towards the bottom. Ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's round out that corner, bringing this through towards the right hand side, rounding that up. In the middle for the belt buckle, we're just going to draw in a rectangle. And then right in the center, let's replicate that again. Now on the side, we're going to bring this line out, down, and then back in. In the middle, let's draw on a straight line that comes up on the left and right hand side. We're going to draw on a straight line that comes across on both sides. And then we'll do the exact same thing as we drop down underneath. Now from the middle, stepping over, we're going to curve this line out towards the bottom. We're going to curve this line out, flattening that through, bringing that across on the right. And then on the left hand side, we're going to bring this down and then back over towards the side of the body. Now let's draw in the arms. So on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. And then now we're going to round out that edge, bringing this down on a diagonal again. Let's round this out on the side again, bringing this over, leaving a gap. And then we're going to again curve this around and through towards the torso. Now let's close this off with a diagonal line on the wrist. Let's draw on our hands now. So we're going to curve this down, flattening that out, bringing it across. From the inside corner here, we're going to curve this around, bringing that back out. Let's curve this line over on a diagonal, bringing that through towards the side, leaving a gap again. And then we're going to round this out, arching this all the way through and in towards that arm. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this around and back down. And now let's draw in the legs. So from the center, stepping over, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes down on both sides, leaving a small gap. And then from here, we're going to curve this out to the side. We're going to curve this line up and then back in. Let's flatten out the legs on both sides, bringing that up. And then we're going to draw in a straight line across on the bottom. And then let's move up again, replicating that one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw Roblox Santa. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.